In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access your QR code using the Phantom browser extension. Whether you're new to using extensions or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First things first, you'll need to have your browser open and ready. If you haven't yet done so, go ahead and open it right now. Once your browser is up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you can find your extensions. Among those, you should see the Phantom extension logo. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking on the Phantom extension will prompt it to open, giving you access to all the features available. The next thing you'll need to do is decide which of your connected accounts you want to use. If you have multiple accounts linked, they'll be neatly listed for you. Carefully choose the one that you intend to use for this purpose. Once you've selected your desired account, direct your attention to the Receive option. This is what you'll need to click next. Selecting Receive prepares your account to accept any inbound transactions or interactions securely. Now, here comes the key part. After clicking Receive, a QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code is a powerful little tool, acting as a unique identifier and allowing secure transactions or data transfers linked to your chosen account. At this stage, you might wonder, what can I do with this QR code? It's pretty versatile. You can scan it directly using another device, which allows for quick and direct access, or you might want to share it with others. Remember, sharing a QR code is like sharing any other piece of sensitive information, so always ensure you're sharing it in a trusted environment. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've not only accessed your Phantom extension, but also navigated through to obtain that all-important QR code. Just a friendly reminder, if it's the first time you're doing this, or if the extension isn't quite behaving as expected, it can be helpful to make sure your browser is up to date or to try restarting it. Either of these can sometimes solve minor glitches. I hope this walkthrough was smooth and straightforward for you. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials, and remember, whenever in doubt, just revisit these steps and you'll be set. Thank you for joining me today, and happy browsing with Phantom.